Hey guys, welcome back to Heavy Duty Life. This morning we get a next job. I'm bringing in a small job to you again today. We're gonna be backfilling this driveway. So I'm gonna show you today how to level a driveway. You know, we're gonna be using quarry. It's gonna all be sloping back to this soakaway in this corner here. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm using the skid steer today, the 289 Caterpillar. So hope you might learn something from it today. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any leave comments in the comment section if you wanna if you want me to answer any question, or you know, or if you want to suggest any new videos you would like to see from the channel. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're gonna be leveling out this driveway today, and I won't be able to talk much in this video to explain everything, but I'm gonna give you a fair rundown of what I'm doing, so you can understand, because the machine is very loud and it's a lot of the windows and so rockle when I drive on the terrain. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the quarry from here and I'm taking it down there to that driveway, and I'm gonna be leveling it out, but I have to slope everything going to the soakaway in the driveway. Alright, because this is a driveway going to a garage. So this video I'm gonna base it more outside of the machine, because in here you won't be able to see much, because it's a cluster space, and you know, you wouldn't get to see much of what I'm doing. But you're gonna get to see how I prefer to level stuff out, how I prefer to do my grading. You know, I hope you enjoy it. So what I'm using, right? What I'm using, because it's sloping from here to that pipe over there, to that soakaway there. I'm using the line. I don't know if you could notice a yellow line in the car. I'm using the line for a little reference, you know, for a little guidance. So I'm using the line to get my slope from that there. I think is a 2 inches slope or a 4 inches slope. But anyway, so I'm gonna use that line to just give me a guidance. So yeah. What I like to do when I level in, I like to try to keep everything kind of flat, and you know, put like what I need, like bring it up as close to the level that I'm looking for, and then I'm gonna work my way over. You know, I mean, it's great and you gotta play with it and so on, but yeah, I'm gonna build up the side close to where my guidance is, and then I'm gonna just work my way over to what I want, you know, until I cover everywhere. So guys, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just keep bringing Curry down and play with it until I'm close to the level that I want. I don't know if you notice how I always try to keep the surface smooth every time I do a couple passes. Why I do this is because if you allow it to get really bumpy, it's gonna shake you up a lot in that machine, and it can also throw off the way you're leveling. So that's why I always try to make it flat so I could drive more better and more smooth. So guys, you see me here starting to create the slope. This is the highest point, and that's gonna be sloping back from the drive, sloping back to the soakaway. So that's what I'm starting to do there.
Alright guys, so I'm close to the level
I get this corner to do, but the electrician has his lines in here and is currently holding me up. So I gotta get these lines out of the way, and then I'm gonna perfect it, you know, play around with it, get a level as precise as I want it. But right now it's close to the level. As you can see, the line is here and we're right about the level. So all I have to do now is get these lines out of the way, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Alright guys, so this is the level that they want. I don't want to go too close to the curb and the finished walls. You know, I think I went close enough, but the guys with shovel could always, you know, tippy top with the corners. But this is the level in terms of the middle and so on, you know. So now what I'm gonna do to wrap it up, I'm gonna put some curry in my bucket and I'm gonna track it in. You know, I'm gonna just drive over it a little bit so it's gonna hold one place, so it's gonna be compacted. Yeah, there I have to do there another day because they're still putting in the curbs up on the driveway this way, so we focused in at the bottom here today. Yeah, you see, get some pipes to the corner here. That's why I don't want to really go too close and break anything. But yeah, let me track this in. And the guys with the shovel is gonna tidy up the corners because you don't want to break the curb. And you know how the electronic system in these C-series machines operate. Sometimes you might want it to stop, it don't stop right away, so you gotta really feel the controls out. But anyway, let me wrap this up. of it. Well graded and compacted driveway. Oh, this is the base. You know, this is just the base. We're gonna be putting gravel to the next level, to the concrete level. So this is just the base work, and this is good for what we want today. So I hope this video helps. I hope you see some of the technique I used in leveling this place out. I know the electrician messed up my plan. It had me a bit annoyed with this car because I wanted to start with this car and work my way back, but I couldn't do that because of the electrician. He was there doing his job. But I mean, we gotta work I always have to find a way to work around things, so it's kind of annoying when it don't go the way I want it to. But yeah, but this is the finished product for this here, for this part. Probably when I'm putting in the gravel, I bring a next video with that. But yeah, alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and look out for more. Hit the notification icon so you could know when I post new videos, so you could keep posted, and hopefully this helped. Alright.